my life away. No, I'm never gonna sell out. Ask if I get scared when I jump on stage. No, it never really fazed me. Just one to one, it's so personal. You never know what it took for me